told you she gonna come out now.
Yeah. You wanna do fireworks? Okay. Okay, hey guys, we're gonna do fireworks. And they just popped. Okay.
I'm gonna be probably moving her stuff. Literally.
She's like,
I'm gonna find a bottle like this.
So he just did one, and in the video said no connection, but there's connection now. I think there's not really the camera.
Told you little Hannah was gonna come out after that one.
Okay. Okay. I'm not little. Okay, so we're gonna watch through the window because there's no connection. Okay, guys, watch. Okay, guys, so.
Well, you don't use it?
It's fine. So he's using my school water bottle that I got from school, but it's fine. So, look. Go! Ah! Whoa! Oh! Ah! Wasn't that cool, guys? Dude. Oh, I can, guys, guess what? I can smell it and it almost burnt down our house.
Don't kill me.
Dude. Dude. Was that awesome?
It was still up that.
Wait, do it on the road. Do it on the road.
As soon as I light it, throw it, alright? As soon as I light it, throw it.
Okay, if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, and share, because I really don't want to hold that light. Okay, bye.